Awesome. So the last main feature of your Instagram account is your Instagram account call to action, or CTA. So if you don't know what a call to action is, this is a very important lecture, and this is actually going to really help you on Instagram and even in the marketing world in general, understanding what a call to action is and how effective they are. So a call to action is an instruction to the audience to prompt an action or response. So you can see some common ones are call now and a phone number, or sign up for more info and a box where you can put your email address, or visit our store today. These are actions that an ad is, or an account is inciting the user to take. So some ones that are off Instagram, just to give you a little bit more of an overview of them and a little bit more examples so you can just understand how effective call to actions are before we take it to the Instagram world. Here is one for Lime scooters. You can see, you go to their website and it says download on the App Store or get it on Google Play. This is their homepage. You can either click download the app on the App Store or download on Google Play. This is two call to actions, or one call to action with two options for it. Your ride anytime, download it here or download it here. That's what they want you to do. The call to action is to download their app. Here's the eBay homepage. You can see at the top of the eBay homepage a big search bar that says search for anything and then a search. So the call to action is for you to search their website and search for something that you're interested in buying. And then of course there'll be more call to actions as you get through the process, which will end up being buy now, will be the last call to action. Here is the Tim Ferriss show. So you can see at the top of his website, you can see he's got 3 annual best of iTunes, 6,000 5-star reviews. He's got the latest episode title there, and then a click to listen to the latest episode button. The call to action is the click to listen. He's got some social proof at the top. He's got a photo of himself, and then it's literally like you're listening to the latest episode just because that button's there. If you go to his website, you're not actually intending to listen to the latest episode, but that's what he wants you to do, and that's what his purpose of you being there is, so he's got a click to listen button. Learn on your schedule. This is Udemy. This is the online learning platform of Udemy, which I think you may know about. You can see, similar to eBay, they've got a search bar because they want you to go and buy a course, and it's like, what do you want to learn? eBay's what are you looking to buy? This is what are you looking to learn? Type it in, search, and then you'll have more call to actions to buy the actual product. So in Instagram, you only have one clickable link to the outside world, which is called this is where you put your call to action. You put it in the link, and in the last line of your bio, this is where you can put some text for the call to action. So you can see on the left here, the purpose of your bio is to prompt a follow, and the purpose of your call to action will be to go offline and to go off of Instagram and go buy your stuff. And we're going to get into this in just a second, but you can see your bio wants to sell your Instagram account, as we talked about in the last lecture, and sell the follow to them. This is why they want to follow you. This call to action at the bottom can be a chance to take them off-site and a chance to buy something or take an action, a call to action of something that you want. So the bio may say follow us for photos of the world, and then on the right you can see the call to action says submit your video for a chance to be featured, which goes to their website, ladbible.com/submit, and this is a Lad Bible where they post viral content. You can see they've got the call to action at the end of their descriptive bio to be go here and submit your video and we can feature you on our page. So the purpose of your call to action, once again, is to direct off site. So it's the only link that is clickable. To take someone off site is in bio, which is where you see people say link in bio. People are talking about go to the bio and click the link if you want whatever is in their ad. And actually, if you're using Google, Instagram ads, which I'll show you in this course, you can also actually put the link on the ad. So you can see here Post Malone. He's got as his call to action shop.postmalone.com. So you can see the call to action is actually part of the URL, which is shop. But I would actually put a bigger call to action, a little bit more value in here, such as visit our site for 10% off above his link, so that they have more of a reason to click on that link. So popular call to actions for you. You may want them to go to your shop. You may want to give them a value of 20% off your first order. You may want them to join your newsletter. You may want them to get a free guide and exchange that for a messenger or an email, which we'll be talking about inside this course. Maybe you want to promote other social media, such as follow us on Facebook or follow us on YouTube, and you can have people, you're basically directing people to take actions that you want using this call to action. And you can have any of these. I suggest if you are a store or a brand, you start promoting your own products straight out of the gate, especially with the marketing strategy we're going to be doing. You want them to be able to access your products. So the last little tip on your call to action, once you decide on it and once you have that set up, you want to make sure you're putting down arrows or the down hand or an arrow towards the link, because it draws people's attention to it. You can see this is Cats of Instagram, and they've got shop here with the link below. So people who want to buy photos or shirts or whatever merch they've got for Cats of Instagram or Cats of World, they can actually go and shop on there and buy those shirts and things, and they can see it better because they've got the downward arrows.